Hi guys, welcome to another video. Today I'm so excited because I'm going to be unboxing some packages from South Korea. I got more clothing, and the last time I filmed a Korean clothing haul slash unboxing was last summer, so I want to say it's been more than half a year now. So yeah, I bought a few things. It's not a lot, I didn't go crazy, but I just wanted to show you guys just in case you're interested in shopping from these websites. First package here is from Codybook. Now Codybook I discovered on Instagram. So it's basically a website that has clothing from multiple stores in Korea. If you guys have heard of Mix, they carry Mix and they carry other brands. You can also buy from Mix directly, or you can purchase from Codybook. But what I liked about Codybook is that it has a lot of variety from several different shops. So I thought that was pretty cool. If you want more variety, I suggest checking them out. So yeah, let's get to this bag first. So I got a wool vest, and I've been dying to feel this vest because it's wool or is it cashmere? I can't remember if it was cashmere or wool. So I got it in the black color and it looks like this. It's not too big. Okay, I think this is definitely gonna fit me. And if you guys don't know this, South Korea and actually most of Asia, they don't have sizes like we do here in Western countries. It's all one size fits all, which kind of sucks. So that's why I don't buy that often from Asian websites, but sometimes I take my time looking at the pictures to see if it'll fit me. I'm a size medium, so I think this will definitely fit me. I can't wait to wear this. Right now, vests are very, very trendy. Okay, so the quality feels pretty nice. It's sturdy. It's not very, like, how should I put it? It's not very loose. You know when you feel like knitted clothing items, they feel like the stitching feels very like loose and it feels like it's kind of stretchy. This seems very sturdy. It's nice and thick. So yeah, I'm excited to wear this. It's interesting because I chose the black color, and I don't know if it's the ring light messing with me, but it has like a tinge of navy blue. I don't know, I had to, like, I think the light's just messing with my eyes, but I don't know, I had to see this under different lighting. I also got a dress. I wanted an overall dress. I don't know why, but it is hard. You guys tell me. I don't know. I have a hard time finding overall dresses in American websites. But every time I try to look for like a pinafore dress, I hope I'm saying that right, a pinafore dress, something I can layer on top of like a t-shirt, I have a hard time finding cute ones here. Or I just mostly see overall dresses. The fabric feels really nice. It feels like suede, but it's not suede. It's like knitted, but it's not stretchy. Yeah, this is like a knit fabric. It's interesting. It feels and looks like suede, but it's not. So this is what it looks like. It has these thick straps, which I really love. I love the front pocket here. I think it's so cute. And the reason why I felt confident about buying this one is because it has elastic in the back. So it might fit me. I have high hopes that it's going to fit me. And my favorite thing about pinafore dresses is that you can adjust the straps. So it has a button here to adjust the straps. I'm really short, so this is perfect for me. It also has a zipper on the side right there. So I have a feeling this is going to fit me. Pretty stretchy. You guys can see that. And I just love the brown color. I was so tempted to get the black, but I have way too much black in my closet. I need to give it a break and go with other colors. And if it's not black, I usually tend to go for brown or beige. So I got brown. I also picked up some accessories because they were so cheap, and it's not easy finding these type of accessories. I got some rings that looked really cool. I've been seeing these rings a lot on some of my nail artists, the nail artists that I follow, mostly from Japan and Korea. And I got 3 rings, and they're silver. gonna try these on. I don't think, yeah, there was no sizing options for the accessories. I'm a little nervous about that. Hopefully they fit. Okay, I don't want to go all the way. I'm scared. Oh, I'm so annoyed because it fits on my wedding ring finger, and that's where I put my wedding ring. So this is the only finger that fits. Yeah. Look at that. It's so pretty. Okay, so now I'm gonna try the other one. Yeah, I fell in love with these, and I'm trying to buy more silver because I always go for gold. I tend to lean more towards gold. Gold everything, nail art, jewelry, accessories. Okay, so this one looks a little bigger. Okay, so this one fits on my right hand. I really wish there was a sizing option because not everyone has little skinny fingers. Okay, this doesn't fit. No! So, there you go. This is what they look like. Really pretty. I'm in love with this one. It's so cute. I just wish that it came in bigger sizes because I would like to buy more than one so I can put one on this hand, but yeah, I'm gonna have to wear it on my left hand, which is what I didn't want. I should just be happy that it fits because I would be more devastated if it didn't fit. These feel pretty heavy. They have some weight to them. They don't feel cheap at all. So we'll see how they hold up because I'm afraid they might tarnish after a while. It didn't say anything about them being sterling silver or anything like that. So we'll see. And I also got some earrings. By the way, this is the first time I buy jewelry from Korea. I have purchased from Japan before, and it's pretty decent quality, and it holds up pretty well. So this is the first for me, and I got these really beautiful gold hoop earrings. They're so pretty. I don't have earrings like this. I've always been afraid of wearing earrings that are pretty big. I'm not really that into like big hoop earrings. The most I do are like these little gold ones that I have on right now, very small ones. So I'm excited how these are gonna look. I feel like they're gonna look so cute because I have short hair, and something about having short hair and wearing hoop earrings, it just looks so adorable to me. So yeah, that's it for Cody book. I also got a package from Stylenanda. Now in my last Korean clothing haul I purchased from Stylenanda, I received comments and messages asking if they ship to the US, and they do. It's a US, I'm not sure if it's a global website, but the website, I'm gonna link it in the description box. They do ship to the US, and no, there are no customs or duty fees. And if they do offer free shipping, I highly recommend doing the free shipping. You won't get charged for it, and it gets here pretty quick. Like, I got my package like 3 or 4 days after placing the order, and it was shipped via UPS, which is surprising because UPS takes forever. So I'm gonna open this box. Now, I only purchased one item from Stylenanda. It's a jacket that I have been wanting for a really long time now because I saw my favorite YouTuber wearing it years ago. Her name's Taylor R. If you guys don't follow her, please follow her. She's amazing. She's a Hong Kong based YouTuber, and yeah, I saw her wearing this years ago, and I told myself I was gonna buy it. I'm gonna buy it. And just recently she posted a picture and she was wearing it. She was wearing this jacket, and that was like a sign for me, like, no, I have to get this jacket. Now, it's not the same one that she has, but it looks very similar, and it's a very trendy type of jacket. Like, I feel like it's a classic, but for some reason it's very trendy at the moment. Oh yeah, it looks pretty bulky. Oh, it's upside down. So it's kind of like an aviator jacket. This is what it looks like. I got it in the black color. They also have it in brown, but I really wanted black. You guys, you should already know I tend to go for black. Black is my favorite. And what I really love about this jacket compared to the ones I've seen in like ASOS, basically Western websites, One of the things that I noticed about the fur, or the Sherpa, whatever you want to call it, or shearling, is that it was white. It was so white that it looked like a weird contrast with the black. And I really wanted this jacket because this is more like a brownie shearling color. And I love the contrast. It's not too stark. And I felt like the white was just too stark, and it was just, I don't know, I didn't really like it. This is more like natural looking, I guess. This is like the color of the shearling. Now, I'm not sure if it's real shearling, the lining, but it feels like it's good quality. The lining is just all shearling, all of it. Even the sleeves, look at that. This, like, you're gonna be warm in this. This is awesome. It just sucks that I live in Southern California and it doesn't get that cold. And I even debated getting this jacket because it doesn't get that cold here. But I really love it, and I just think it's so cute, and I don't think this will ever fall out of style. It is so pretty. And the one that Taylor has, I think it had like buckles on the sleeve. This one doesn't. It only has buckles on the collar. Put it on. Oh yeah, this is warm. It feels like I'm being hugged by a teddy bear. And another thing that I like is that the hardware is like a bronze color. It's not like a super shiny gold, so it's not gonna look too flashy. Just the little details, you know? Something to take note of. If you're like me, you don't want like super shiny gold or silver hardware. That's it for my video. I hope you guys enjoyed this unboxing. It wasn't a lot, but I really wanted to share it with you guys just to tell you guys if it fit or not, because I know sometimes people are hesitant about shopping from these websites because of the sizing. It is a big issue. I wish they offered more sizes, but yeah, that's why I buy it, so you guys can get an idea of what it looks like on my body. I am a size medium, sometimes large, if I want it to look a little more roomy or a little more baggy, but I'm normally like a size 6 to 8, depending on the brand, size medium. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, please like and subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!